The purpose of this video is simply to experiment with different lengths of extension poles for my Insta360 X5 camera when I want to record my ride on my wired e-bike. And I've been experimenting with them off and on, and I'm either getting a lot of rattling noises or I'll be getting jitter in the video. So I think I've determined which length extension pole works best. So I'm gonna do a short ride down the same exact country road at the exact same speed, so I can try to recreate each video the same. And I'm going to be using no pole whatsoever. I'm going to have my X5 mounted directly to my handlebar using it's kind of a GoPro mount clamp. Then I'm going to have a 4-inch carbon fiber pole. Then I'm going to use a 12-inch carbon fiber pole. And then I'm going to combine the 12 and the 4-inch, which actually comes out to right at 17 inches. I know the math is wrong, but trust me, 17-inch pole, and see which one works the best. For those of you that want the answer before you watch the video, I found that using no pole at all, my X5 mounted exactly right on my handlebar, jittered the most. It had the most video jitter and shaking, and it also picked up a lot of noise from my bicycle. So if you watch the video, you'll hear a lot of noise that's actually rattling. It sounds like the bracket that the mount is on is rattling, but it's really not. It's the cables of the bike, because the camera is so close to the little cables, it picks up the rattling. Then I tried the 4-inch pole, and it had some jitter and shaking and some rattling noise, but it was definitely better than no pole at all. Then I tried the 12-inch pole, and to me, that was the sweet spot. One 12-inch pole, it really had hardly any jitter, any shake, and no rattling noise at all. So that's the one I'm going to go with. But I went ahead and experimented with the 17-inch pole using the 12-inch and the 4 or 5-inch pole together. And that one also didn't have any jitter or shake and no rattle noise, but it introduced something different, though. It introduced some bounce because the pole was so long, it kind of flexed. It was a soft bounce, but it's still, you can see it bouncing. Plus, it looks kind of ridiculous when sticking out that far from your bicycle. So the sweet spot is the 12-inch, but go ahead and watch the video and see what you think and let me know in the comments. Okay, there we go. Again, it was one single pole.
you.